Hello everyone, how are you doing? In this short video, we will differentiate between errors and artifacts and two imputation methods so that we can resolve errors. Well, we can't resolve errors, but yeah, we can resolve artifacts. Okay, artifacts, data errors. Okay, so what are artifacts? A systematic distortion of unintended effect introduced by the process or technique used to acquire, process या फिर clean the data. What are data errors? An inaccuracy, inconsistency या फिर loss of information that typically occurs during data acquisition. Acquisition करना मतलब किसी चीज़ को procure करना या फिर entry. The methodology, equipment or algorithm itself. ह्यूमन मिस्टेक्स यू क्या है कॉज क्या है आर्टिफैक्ट्स क्यों आते हैं आर्टिफैक्ट्स इसलिए आते हैं क्या रीज़न है उसका कहाँ से देयर वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड व्हिच आई कांट रिमेंबर डैंग इट उनका प्रोविडेंस क्या है प्रोविडेंस का मतलब होता है जस्ट जस्ट वेट अ सेकंड आई डोंट प्रूव वे अगर इफ आई सेड प्रोविडेंस इट्स रॉन्ग इट्स प्रोविनेंस प्रोविनेंस का मतलब होता है उस चीज़ का ओरिजिन क्या है सोर्स क्या है ओके ओके सो ओरिजिन क्या है प्रोविनांस क्या है किसका आर्टिफैक्ट्स का तो मेथडोलॉजी है इक्विपमेंट है या फिर खुद एल्गोरिदम के कारण आर्टिफैक्ट्स जो है वो ओरिजिन होते हैं हियर द प्रोविनांस इज ह्यूमन मिस्टेक इक्विपमेंट मॉल फंक्शन या फिर ट्रांसमिशन फेलियर Deterministic. Deterministic means it repeats consistently. It is a false signal of the system. Random या फिर unpredictable. ये कभी भी आ सकता है. Capricious है. It is very capricious. It is a fundamental loss of original information. यहाँ पे हम इसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. See, generally correctable, so it is corrigible. Dang it. Corrigible. It is incorrigible. Generally correctable by refining the process or filtering the data as the original signal may still be present. Here, information is often fundamentally lost and cannot be fully recovered on its original state. For example, satellite is providing images, and for a sliver of second that satellite system is like a malfunction arises in satellite system for a particular period of time. Now all the events that will occur in that period of time on earth will be lost because it can't be repeated, and that information satellite can't like procure again because the event won't repeat itself. So that's an error. That was a great example of error. I read it somewhere, it is not mine. And yeah, generally correctable by refining the process या फिर filtering the data as the original signal may still be present. corrigible है जो original सिग्नल है जो सोर्स है वो अभी भी प्रेजेंट हो सकता है बट यहाँ पे वो सोर्स अब प्रेजेंट नहीं हो सकता टाइम टाइम को आप वापस कैसे लाओगे compression artifacts distortion in an image या फिर audio file due to compression algorithm or a statistical artifact a spurious means false false fake WS के लिए we can use apo apo CRY apocryphal yeah spurious false fake finding due to a faulty choice of variables हमने variables गलत choose कर लिया इसके कारण artifacts आ रहे हैं so we can fix it but a sensor failing due to record but a sensor failing to record a reading, a missing value, a typo during data entry, या फिर a server crash causing permanent data loss, and the data which was generated in that particular period of time, now we can't reprieve, why I'm using so bad words, like reprieve is not the correct word, we can't retrieve it. So that was the basic difference between errors and artifacts. Toodles.